Well, we started in the Bronx in 1991, and we opened up all over New York City. We opened up in Florida, and we would think, we've been coming to Aruba for 30 years, and to me, Aruba is like a second home. So when I seen an opportunity and I seen the place, and I knew that Tony Roma was there, I said, you know what, maybe it was meant to be, and I was going to give it a try, and decided to open up in Aruba, bring some of our culture that we have, from New York. We're Italian background, and we wanted to do our food here. This is Neapolitan food. We're going back to a traditional style of cooking that we did in Italy when I came here from Italy in 1980. And the chef that works for me, we've been working together 40 years, and we have a little history together of making this traditional Italian food that we want to bring here to Aruba, which I think it's missing in Aruba. We open at 4 o'clock and we close at 11:30. I would love to have all the Arubians come and visit me. And please ask for me. My name is Giacomo Alaio. Ask for me. I would love to meet you guys. Please come and try our food.
I've been with Patrizia's for over 40 years. I worked with the father of the owners back in Little Italy, Mulberry Street, back in 1976. That's where we started. We have 45 years experience in the restaurant business.
What can the people expect from the food here?
The food, like Giacomo Alaio said, is a traditional Neapolitan cuisine with a little touch, with a little flair of a little northern mix and southern Neapolitan cooking. I was born in Naples, Italy, 1961. So, well, we have the traditional pastas, the gnocchi sorrentino. We did a couple of arancini, cacio e pepe. We have a spiedini romano, which was a traditional dish that we made back in Little Italy. I made it for President Reagan back in 1982. We cooked for a lot of movie stars and famous, presidents back in Little Italy, Manhattan. Oh, it would be a great experience for them because they could taste a lot of new items that we have on the menu, like the spiedini romano, like I said, all different kinds of pastas. And we have a great team of chefs here that we found that we're all working together.